Remember, I'm on top of Mount Elgon, and if you remember your SST very well, they say the higher you go, the cooler it becomes, and I'm on top here, and it's very cool. It's very cold, man. But I have to do it because we need to know our African way of doing things. This is what I did long time, man. Oh my God. Drop a comment in the comment section. What are you saying about this? Very cold, yeah? Remember what you're going to tell me in the comment section. Remember I've told you I was going to remove this, but because of the culture we have in Africa, we need to respect some people. It's the reason as why I am basing using this one. But what I can tell you guys, it's all about the coldness here. This water, it's just like I'm in a fridge, man. I'm freezing. Oh my God. I'm going to show you all the things we used to do. So those days, like if you don't have someone or your partner who helps you to scrub the back here. How do we used to do it, man? We used to do it like this. Oh! So nice. I hope this one will not go to me. Oh. Come on. We'll really enjoy the real Africa. I think you can't get these things outside Africa. You can only enjoy this in our motherland. I remember we are in the Pearl of Africa, Uganda, on Mount Elgon. That's where you can enjoy this. And remember, you can enjoy this when you come to Falling Sky Resort here. This is one of the activities people were asking me, the activities we do here. There are a lot of activities. Guys can come and shower, do the African showering, man. You bathe like an African child, man. This is what I need you to know. Wow. Finally. Wow. That's where you can. You don't need to come with so many things. That's why for me I just came with this one and soap. Everything you get it here naturally. Your legs. It'll be very nice, man. And it's not very clean. No, it really will not take. You don't mind, man. So these are the things we used to do, and I think I've also taken a long time when I'm doing this. So down there, this is what you will do. You don't need to struggle. Just use the rock. Clean your... I'm going to be very super clean today. So once in a while, come and enjoy this here in Falling Sky resort. This is an African thing. So we do it in African. Alright. Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Ah. So nice. Hey. Another thing is I remember we put base with our clothes and you take it as a chance. You've done two things at a go. You've bathed, you've washed your clothes. Wow. So when we used to go, you go home, someone takes like a week when someone has not bathed again. And when they ask him at school, man, see this boy here, he has not, he looks like he has not bathed for 1 week. Then you tell a teacher, no sir, I bathed a long time, I bathed last month. I bathed in a river in our swamp, so I'm covered. Teachers used to cane us as if they were hired. Wow! I'm trying to recall what we used to do, guys. Hope I'm going to cook the cane, man. Because remember the water you're using the fresh water that flows. So everything is fresh. You don't get it. That's fresh. I'm trying to remove you from your comfort. You're thinking that having a shower in your room is the best. And for us, we are having the natural shower that God gave us. I think this is why Adam stayed for very many years, and those people of Abraham, because they were using everything was natural. Showers were not there, the basins were not there. Now, I don't know the amount of water that I've used, man. Now for you, you use a small jerrycan. If you come here, you just like if you just want to fill the water, you just go like this. Oh my God! Oh my God! Jesus! Oh! Let me live for 100 years, man. I really enjoy life. The life has just started. Now someone is there in Kumi. You don't know what is happening outside there. Then people start saying, oh Jojo! Then I'm enjoying my... Oh my God! Good night. Don't live in a comfort zone. You need to recall the things of long ago. Just enjoy. Man, you come to this place here, that's when you really realize that God is powerful. Wow. Let's have a short prayer. Oh God, thank you so much for giving us these abundant resources in Africa. We will enjoy our motherland. So guys, Africans in the diaspora, once in a while, when you come to Uganda, come to this place, Falling Sky Resort, if you want to enjoy what I am enjoying right now. Wow. Man. Really super excited to be here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please, just do me one thing. Help me support this journey. Because your care services, we are here to inspire people. We are here to show you what we have in Africa, what you don't see on TV, because everyone is not showing this. That's why I want you to know that there are places that you can visit still in Africa that you have never seen on TV, but we are trying to show you as your care services. Please guys, do me a favor, subscribe the channel, I'm waiting. Thank you so much for subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Wow, thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you so much for hitting so that you don't miss any upload in your care services. Guys, share the video. Let the people, all the Africans, those ones in the diaspora, know what is happening in our motherland. Let the whole world know Africa. We are taking Africa. Ah, I love Africa. Oh my God. Woo! Just ask yourself, when are you going to visit Mount Elgon? And if you want to visit Mount Elgon, how will you reach there? I want to answer that question. Come to Falling Resort, Falling Sky Resort in Wanale. We are going to leave the number running there on the screen. Just call the management, then you come and enjoy. Are you not tired of bathing in your room? Wow. Are you not tired of using a jerry can? They call it a domolo. Are you not tired, guys, of using that small basin that you use small water? And it tells yourself that you have showered. So this is how we do it. Now let's first. Man, I feel like not to live here. I'm super excited, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Someone is going to wonder there. No people could comment there. Julius, are you not becoming mad? Man, I am becoming mad because I feel like you should know what is happening in Africa. You should know all the resources we have in Africa. You should know how God blessed Africa. That's why I am becoming mad, and I'm really foolish to the dream of making sure that let all the Africans know what are the resources we have in Africa, how we should enjoy our motherland before you expire. I want to enjoy this before guys. I expire. I think I've used more than oh my God. Wow. Let me see you here. Come on, enjoy this, man. Wow! On! Jasoboro. I think when you talk about Jasoboro, don't say Jasoboro. Oh my God, we are here enjoying our motherland. Please, come we enjoy together. That is Just Rush, isn't it? Please, Just Rush, come with your team here and enjoy life. All the artists in Teso, big up to you, Just Rush. Big up to all my friends, those of Yan Chan, the likes of, I've forgotten many, there are so many artists. Navsi, isn't it? We have Navsi, please, once in a while, come with the team and enjoy this. I have my brother, Desomondo. Oh my God. I've not mentioned many, there are very many artists we have in Teso. I want to dedicate this video to you. Thank you so much. We can talk to this management and you come and shoot your video here. I believe they'll be able to give you a space to promote our culture, to promote Africa, to support our own Africans. So just rush. We have Nabsi, we have Yona Chan, we have there's this ragamuffin of mine. Hey, our brother Yuji one. Sparrow Yuji. Wow, thank you so much. Then we have the only lady, serious lady in Teso. I've forgotten this one also. Guys, this is the right place. You come. Let me go outside there to my brother. We have brothers who are doing great right now in Uganda. Thank you so much. People who are doing business, I want to thank you. Stay foolish to your dream. And always once in a while, come with your staff. Let them come and enjoy. They have made you money for a whole year. From January to December. Once in a while, get time, bring them to explore the world, to do the adventure, and they enjoy this like I'm doing here. So guys, man, I feel like not to leave you here. I'm going to give you the whole video. I'm not going to edit here this video. We're just going to put everything so that you'll be able to enjoy the video. But share this video to people outside there. Who are the people that I feel like to come here? The business people. Come here once in a while and enjoy. Don't mind about your status. Can't go and swim in such a place. This is what God gave us. And God is very rich, man. He gave us all this to utilize. And most of us are not utilizing our resources. So guys, thank you so much. Now after this, oh my God, wait a bit. Woo! Woo! And I'm done. And I'm super clean. I've used I don't know how many tanks. The amount of water that I've used here, I don't know how many liters. Put it in the comment section. I'll be there to show you that place. Oh my God. Woo! Woo! And thank you so much. This is what I wanted to show you. Guys, I want to be original African without a towel. So after here, I'm going to show you where you will go and get a small sunshine and you become very okay. Because clean up in my things here. And we are done. I told you yesterday we have homes there. Remember we are on the slope of Mount Elgon and we are on top here. That's why I told you it's very cold because the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. We still have homes up there. I showed you yesterday what they do from that side. Now, you need to go there and I get, I don't know who was taking my smearing oil. Hey, where is my smearing oil? Where you taking it back? Bring my oil, man. Oh my God. So come with me, guys. Then we go and get the place where you can go and rest a little bit. Man, when you come here, you just feel like you're in heaven. You just choose where you want to be. I want to be there. Oh my God. Oh. This is how Adam and Eve enjoyed life, man. It was a simple life, I think. I really don't know what happened. So there are so many good places that you can explore when you come to this place. Now I'm here, at least direct to Sunshine now. And this is the resort, man. The river is just here where you just go and swim. You choose what you want to do. If you know how to swim, you can swim from where you were swimming yesterday, like that. If you can do that, you can be there. Or you just want to shower, you're tired of using a jerry can, those things that we use outside there. And most especially people who are in town, those ones who are enjoying only the shower. Please, come and use the natural shower that God created for us. Oh my God! I think that's why sometimes there are people who will just see death, but you don't suffer. From nowhere, people in the village, people outside there just say, hey, Nani has died. But for you, you were not even feeling it. We need to utilize our own resources, man. So, I told you, I am not going to use anything. I just want to do Super Africa. Those days we didn't have a towel. So I don't have a towel. You have to wait. I'm trying to show you what we used to do. You come and wait like this until you become okay. You dry up. And when you dry up, then you use your smearing oil. After that, you call it a day. Then you go and enjoy life. Maybe in your school, maybe in a center, training center, and tell those people, I have showered and I'm going to take a week. I'll shower again next week because you have used a big amount of water. Oh my goodness! Think of now. So, guys, this is the smearing oil that I'm going to use. Call. Who told you? That I'm going to use, man. So don't you worry. I love using Moviti. So let me take this opportunity to thank the management of Moviti. I have my Moviti there, but I've left it. Now, today, I am going to use this one here. This one is for men. Oh my God. So people always ask questions why you have a lot of pimples. I think one of the medicines is for you to go to the coolest area, such that you also take like a week when you have not sweated. Man, from the time I entered to this resort here, I have not seen sweat. And I'm sure if I'm here for a week, you'll never get any pimple. Oh, oh my God! Oh my God! So, I am about to dry up, man. So after drying, we shall be able to do this. Now, I still want to dedicate this video to my friends outside there. Hey, Mr. Inyalio. They call him Uncle Simon, the owner, the CEO, the director of Toto Asio. I think this is a place where you need to bring our learners to come and enjoy, to come and do tour, because there are so many things that they can do from here. We have vegetation, that is under vegetation as a topic. We have physical futures, so they will talk about the physical futures. We have, that is a river, so the teacher will be able to explain a lot when you bring the learners here. There are so many things. We can talk about location here, still in SST. Others, I also failed SST. I don't do well in it. I didn't do very well in SST. I still want to dedicate some video to my friend, my mentor, and that is John Omugu. Please, Johnny, you need to bring the stuff here. So guys, bring the stuff, John. That is Tepper. Wow. People, Director Tepper, please bring the learners here. Bring the staff, let them come and enjoy. Wow. I want to dedicate the same video to our minister. You know we love you so much. And before you even became the minister, the whole of Teso respected you because of your love of education. You love education so much. You've sponsored very many learners all over Teso, and that is Halcyon Foundation. So to all Halcyon Foundation schools, Halcyon schools, we have Teso boarding there in Soroti City. We have Halcyon, I think the main branch, the main campus, Halcyon there in Soroti. Then we have another Halcyon campus, Serere, that is in Kiere, while Kiere, yeah. So guys, I think once in a while, let the head teachers organize and you come and enjoy from this place, man, and tour the place. This is Falling Sky Resort here in Wanale View. So guys, all directors of schools all over Teso, this is the right place for you. All business people, the business community, I've told you once in a while, at least bring your staff here. Yesterday we were with the staff of a certain company here in Mbale. It is a paper industry where they make papers, they manufacture books. So guys, check with those guys and they'll be able to support you. So I think once in a while, you need to bring your staff here and trying to become very okay. This morning, another activity that you can feel when you're here in Falling Sky Resort in Wanale View. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye! Peace up guys! I have food. Don't capture anything. Oh my God!